Hey everyone, this is Kaukaha Watanabe with the Property Partners, and I wanted to introduce you to a really close friend of mine, Monica Adams from Invested Insurance. Really wanted to spotlight what you do today because you've been taking great care of most important people in my world is my clients, and you've been starting to do some of my own personal stuff. You just insured my RV, which I got to take my first trip this weekend, and it was awesome knowing that I could go have some fun, but also be covered because it's so scary driving that huge RV around town, especially when I'm not used to it. So thank you for being here today. Just explain your company, what you do, and we'll go from there.
Excellent. Thank you very much for the nice introduction, Kay. I'm Monica Adams, as Kay just introduced. I'm with Invested Insurance Agency, and we're a broker. Really neat thing about our company is that we work with so many different companies. So most brokers will work with 5 or 7 different insurance companies, but ours works with about 35. And the cool thing about that is that every client that comes to us, we can really find a niche for that specific client and really find them the best insurance for the best price specified for that person.
Yeah, what really impressed me about doing some business with you is, number one, you always find the best price, but you answer the phone.
Yeah.
Right? That's one of my biggest complaints about any sales professional or any business is just the service.
You know, Kay, one of our biggest things is that we're really in the service industry. So insurance is kind of a byproduct of that, and we love insurance. We love making sure families have the adequate protection that they need, especially referring to your clients. When they have that home and maybe they're a first-time home buyer, it's really important that they have coverage to protect that and that their home is adequately insured. So insurance is awesome, but we really think of ourselves as being in the service industry. So people call us, we call them back. People text us, we text them back, or if they prefer an email, that's okay too.
Yeah, and one thing, the reason why I like that you call back quickly, and this is important for home buyers, is you want to get your insurance quote while you're in your inspection period, right? Because there have been times where we've waited or we put it in the client's hands and they came back where they couldn't get insurance just for one particular reason about the house. Maybe the roof wasn't right or something with the foundation wasn't correct. I know insurance, they can be very picky when it comes to that. And during your inspection period, that's when you have to negotiate repairs or get out of the transaction so that you can get your earnest money back. So that was awesome that you get back to us really quickly.
Excellent, yeah, and that's a great point to bring up actually, Kay. I think it's kind of a hidden fact with homeowners insurance. So sometimes when we take a look at an insurance report, it basically looks at the insurance that the home has had previously. So it has nothing to do with the new home buyer. So sometimes those details can have an impact on what your rate would be. So it's great to have that as a base when you're touching base with your real estate agent. And another thing too that's always has to be considered is flood insurance.
Yes.
So sometimes, you guys get somebody in a great house, it's perfect, and it just happens to be right on the edge of a flood zone. And when you have to add that flood insurance on, it can really change the whole perspective from what you're paying monthly for your mortgage and your insurance. So it's great to be able to reach out with us. And we love working with realtors and Kay's team, primarily because when we work with them, he gives us the details of the house, and we can really give a solid quote that you can actually move forward with.
Yeah, flood insurance is always a pretty tricky thing because most people don't know how to find the flood quote or anything like that. And I even had insurance people before like, well, I don't know how to pull that. So it's good that you do provide us that information because that goes into your mortgage payment. That can affect your debt to income ratio. So if you're waiting till the end to gather all this information, you're really playing on the edge. There's a good chance your home might not close, or the house that you've been dreaming about, you might not be able to afford it because of flood. So I'm glad that you provide that stuff pretty early for us.
Yeah, definitely. We really like to be a one-stop shop insurance for all of our insurance clients. So if you need homeowners insurance, auto insurance, flood insurance, life insurance, we really can look at all of them. So it's really great to be able to work with clients, develop a relationship, see exactly what their needs are, and help them on every aspect of that.
And RV insurance too.
RV insurance.
Taking care of that for me. So one thing I want to just cap this off and leave this for our database of people. What do you offer? What can you offer them? Our Facebook family, our database of clients, our family, friends, coworkers that we have. What can you offer them today?
We love working with Kay's team. We love all the clients that he refers over to us. I would love to be able to provide you with a free insurance review. No obligation at all. I'll take a look at the insurance you have. We can make recommendations based on the home that you have, the vehicles that you have, and the coverage that you need. So we have insurance professionals that are fully staffed at our office, and we would love to take a look for you and really see how we can help you. We would love to do that.
Yeah, so anybody that is a part of our family, please reach out to Monica. I mean, I'm guaranteed that she can just make sure you're getting the best possible service, but not just that, make sure you have the correct insurance for what you have going on in your life, and hopefully she can save you some money.
Heck yeah, I'd love to save you some money. Give us a call. Invested Insurance Agency.
Thank you, and her information will be at the bottom of this link. Thank you.